Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is investment. Basically, that is the tax box investment, and that is the user control investment. So, one of the person basically asked the question to Sunil Arnair, basically from one of the satellite group. Basically, do you know basically Sunil? In this world, basically, whatever things basically the business development is ongoing, that is basically connected with few hundreds of people. Basically, if Russian group basically can earn per day 80,000 crore, 90,000 crore, 90 lakh crore, 80 lakh crore. This type of investment basically, sorry, this type of income basically, who can have basically? That is also one of the question basically asked by the set of group, because 90 lakh crore basically is not in the one of the bank also basically. If you check the SBI bank basically, 90 lakh crore basically it will not be there. The asset of the SBI bank, HDFC bank, then Union Bank, the Bank of Baroda, then the Axis Bank, then the other banks, and the Punjab National Bank. They basically don't have the 90 lakh crore also. Basically. But here basically the Russian groups are earning basically per day basically 90 lakh crore basically. So one of the person basically asked the question. So this type of income basically which bank basically takes? Which bank basically deposit? Which bank basically accept this type of amount basically? So that is basically question basically. So here one of the person basically asked one more question basically. Do you know basically how the share bazaar, that is the stock market basically is getting handling? So Sunil Arna told that no, basically that I don't know. So satellite group told that basically per day basically, daily basically in stock market, stock exchange basically, one bank gets creates. So this was shocking basically answer given by the satellite group. Per day means per day one bank is getting created. So they want to say that basically satellite group basically want to say that basically the after 100 years, after 200 years, which banks are going to be in the market, going to rule in the market, going to invest in the market. That plan basically are done by these hundreds of rich people basically. So that was basically the very dangerous different answer basically given by the satellite group. So he want to tell that basically after 200 years, after 300 years, which banks are going to do the investment in the market, and what basically would be the output of the energy basically in the environment basically. So that was basically the shocking answer basically, because in universe basically nothing basically error is not accepted basically. So 200 years, 300 years plans are basically ongoing. Currently basically stock exchange basically whatever things basically are doing, you just see basically what they are doing. Or if you want to verify basically you can verify with the legal departments basically, because banks basically when get creates that time basically the legal departments basically, without legal department authority basically the banks can't be created. So you connect with the legal department, Sunil R. Nair basically, and see that basically the banks group basically are how the banks are getting created. So one of the person told that, are you sure basically after 300 years which bank is going to create, that the stock exchange group basically decide? Because the money basically which is getting controlled in the market, that is from stock exchange only. So that was also very dangerous thing basically. This was basically told by satellite group basically. Why basically they told this? Because the text box got error basically. Here basically they got one error. So they told that basically let's basically we display this thing also basically in front of the public. So the people who are basically the big investment like TCS, Infosys, Ajim Premji, Wipro, then the Patni, then the Accenture, then the Capgemini, then the Godrej, then the Reliance, TCS, Tata Groups, Maruti, then the Suzuki, then the Access Group, then many groups are basically there. ONGC is there, IPCL is there, Reliance RIL is there, Reliance Group is there, Aditya Birla is there, VI basically Vodafone is there. Jio is there, Airtel is there. So these all are the big investor basically of the market basically. So you ask them basically, they might be knowing this basically, that daily basically one banks are getting created. So that was shocking answer basically. So the few businessmen basically connected and they told that basically it might be correct basically Sunil basically, because we are studying this market since 30-40 years basically. So now basically we are getting that basically the banks are daily getting. So like this basically assume that basically stock market basically has created more than 300-500 banks basically for future purpose basically. So one of the person told that you are basically not getting the things na basically from where the tax box are investment are ongoing. Microsoft is telling that basically we basically asked the governments and government basically directly told that basically we don't want tax only basically. So like this basically the things will not work basically. By closing everything, Sunil Arnar basically told that basically in the text box there is error, and that basically due to that error basically they blocked Sunil Arnar regime also basically. They blocked Sunil Arnar mobile number also by with the help of the BJP government. So like this basically things are not going to work basically. Like this basically Sunil Arnar basically income also was stopped by the BJP and USA government. So you can just imagine basically the text box is connected up to what level basically. So one of the person from satellite told that basically it might be possible that the few that 100 investor basically, sorry, 100 big rich people are basically there in the earth planet basically, they might be having this information of the text box equal to 1,000 cities. So just see basically up to what level the things are going to connect now. So one of the person told that Sunny basically in previous video basically you told that basically for loop, if loop, and then basically uh, the power supply basically when comes from this city, from that city, the if for loop sometime basically doesn't work. That all things basically programming basically works in the military, army. So that basically you have checked. So Sunil Larna told that basically the people basically they might be watching this video, they have to test basically. I am basically just simple normal BCom person basically, and Infosys basically don't take BCom person only. And that this basically thing idea basically was of BCom person basically. So that was also shocking basically answer basically. So one of the person told that the BCom person also basically are can able to think up to the level basically equivalent to the IITs and BTech and MTech group basically. So you can't ignore the BCom person also basically. So Infosys basically insulted BCom person basically. So why by mistake basically they Infosys group basically watched this video and they basically will think one time basically or basically the BCom group basically we have to take little bit BCom group basically and then we have to test basically up to what level they are basically. So that is basically different thing. So one of the persons said, have you checked the army with the army group that if condition for loop basically when the power supply is coming from that city, not coming from the that city, this condition will not work, that condition will work. If the power supply is coming from the that city, then the for loop will work, this while loop will not work. So that basically is the army group basically, the army group programming group basically, they have to do this basically. Why basically we have to? We can basically just pass the message basically. So one of the person told that it might possible that basically American group might have done something to your YouTube channel also basically. It might possible that the public basically who want to watch this video, they are not able to watch this video also basically. It might possible. The people will not do subscription also. Why? Because they might not able to view your videos also basically. Up to but that level the business groups basically are connected here. So one of the person told that if one person basically is earning 80 lakh crore, 90 lakh crore, so you can just imagine here basically one video basically is not also getting subscribed basically. So you can just imagine basically in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic basically up to what level the business are connected and up to what level the business development are connected basically. And stock exchange basically creates daily one bank basically.